So I kind of forgot about these silver packs. so, so let's open those up. Hobby exclusive there. See if we get anything good in these. There's George Brett there. Pete Alonso. James Wood. That's going to be a really good one. Nacho Alvarez. Nacho. Get that one all seamed up there. Okay, now for the last silver pack. We got Trey Turner. So that's kind of Luis Robert Jr. Wade Boggs, and Ronald Acuna Jr. So that's the silver packs. Yeah, the hobby box would be only one silver pack. So the jumbo you get two, and like I say, you get the one signature and two relics. Anyhow, peace out.